What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the new viewers, what's up? So today, actually before we start, because it's freaking cold in here, I'm gonna go change and I'm gonna be right back. Alright, this is so much better right now. I am warm, nice and warm, yes. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be, actually before we start the video, if you guys haven't noticed, I have new hair and it's like a blonde color. I wanted to try different shades of colors out because I always wear the same off black hair. So I wanted to do something a little different, and I went with this blonde, yeah, like a blonde look. The top of it, actually let me take the top off. The top is like black and then it goes down to like a blonde. So yeah, it's not horrible. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you guys like my hair or what? Is it good? Is it bad? What? The cut is really nice. And if you're interested in actually getting this hair, I'll leave it down in the description box below. So if you guys want to try it out or whatever, let me know. And yeah, I'll leave it in there. But yeah, it's cold. Let me put this back on. So okay guys, today's video is going to be a Fashion Nova haul. It's going to be another one of my fashion videos. I haven't done one in such a long time. I think the previous one that I did was another Fashion Nova, like my first haul. This is going to be my second Fashion Nova haul. This is one of the items that I got from Fashion Nova, and it's just a gray beanie. I needed a beanie because the winter here is brutal to me because it's so cold. Like right now I'm in my room and we don't have a heater, but there's like a radiator. The radiator's on, but it's still cold. Like I'm always bundled up in my blankets and stuff like that in my room when I'm trying to go to sleep, and it's just so cold. Like it's ridiculous. It's freezing cold. If you guys don't know, I'm now in Berlin and I'm not used to this weather. I came from tropical climate all the way to the cold, so my body's like trying to get used to it. But yeah, I don't know, just let me know what you guys think. Hopefully the weather gets warmer quicker because I'm not about this cold weather. It's not good for me at all, I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. So anyway guys, with this video, since I did move to Berlin, I actually purchased a bunch of like winter type stuff. Most of the clothes that I'll be wearing in here is kind of like sweaters and just mostly long pants, no short pants or anything like that. So also don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like it guys, subscribe, like, and comment, and I will leave everything that I purchased down in the description box below. So if you guys want to purchase it, I'll go ahead and leave that down there for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned guys. Alright, so starting off guys, I have this really cute, nice green and white sweater, and it is pretty comfortable. I like it. The length is pretty long for my arms because I have long arms. One thing I didn't really like is the actual like area right there, that like like the chest opening area. I don't know, I can't really think of the actual name, but it kind of slides down every now and then my bra strap shows, which I don't like, but it actually works, so I'm not really too picky about it. As for the pants, the color is so cute, so pretty. It's a really nice nude type of tan color, and the fit is amazing. The only thing I wish is that the waist was a little bit tighter, but the actual overall length of the trousers, it actually fits perfectly, so it's really good. It's nice, it fits, and it works. Alright guys, so next up is these really cute pants. I just kept the same sweater t-shirt. Now the pants fit so well, so comfortable. The length is really long, and I'm tall. Like I am 5'6", and I think that's like really tall for girls or something, but it works for me. There are 2 pockets in the front and 2 pockets in the back, and it is so comfortable. Like the fit is amazing. I mean, Fashion Nova and its fit is bomb. See, I'm just pulling it up, showing y'all. One thing that's actually pretty cute also is this really cute button. Now the buttons are black with kind of like a shiny black looking finish to it, and it actually pulls this pants together. Like very slick, neat, love it, love it, love it, love it. Next up, we have this really cute sweater. It is a nice peachy kind of rose goldy looking shade, and one thing that's really cute is the crisscross of the laces in the front. That is the cutest thing ever. Definitely throws this whole t-shirt or this sweater together. And the sleeves are long. Like, it's hard for me to find an actual sweater that fits all the way down to the sleeves because I have long arms. Like, I'm weird like that, but whatever. One thing I didn't like is the extra baggage. Like, you see all that extra fabric right there in the back and on the side? So maybe that is supposed to be that way. I'm not sure. Or I probably have to get a size smaller, but it worked out. It's fine. And with these pants, these are like a leather type pants, but one thing is really cute is that little design right there. It's definitely like, it's kind of like cut out open, but the pants are so comfortable and they're warm. Like, I really thought that these were going to be kind of thin, but they worked out perfectly. So I just changed out the pants and I got black pants. These pants are pretty similar to the plum color pants that you've seen before. They're comfortable, they're neat, they're slick. I wish they were a little bit longer, but it worked out. The only thing that sucks is like it doesn't really have any front pockets, so I like my front pockets and I do like my back pockets as well. But it fits and it works perfectly, so I'm okay with it. Next up, we have this black sweater. This sweater is so comfortable. And look at the design on the front and the cutout shoulders. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I am definitely in love with this sweater. The only thing that I wish it wasn't that see-through, like you can actually see my bra in that sweater, but it's fine. Now these are a different type of pants. These are I think they're like a burgundy. The length is really long and these are high-waisted pants and these caress my booty so well. I'm telling you, these are probably like my favorite pants. Like, look how they make, look at that. Look how they make that. Ooh, yes. Yes. I don't know what it is, but it seems like Fashion Nova actually makes really great pants. Like, it hugs your body, and if you have thick thighs, thick hips, a big booty, it will hug you and you will find your size. Next up, this actual coat I got, I think I got this coat like actually a year ago, and it's from Fashion Nova, and I got this because I was going to Paris and I wanted to look cute and everything. But this coat isn't bad at all, and it's a really nice tan type of coat. The flaps are really big on the side. It's comfortable. I do wish that the sleeves were a little bit longer. As you can see, they're kind of like not even up to my wrists. You know, I told you I have really long arms. The strap wraps around and you could tie it if you want, and you have like little pockets you could put your stuff in there. But this is such a relaxing kind of, you know, sassy jacket, and I really like it. It's pretty nice. Alright, so next up I got this jacket. I saw it on Fashion Nova and I thought it was the cutest jacket ever, especially being wintertime here. I thought it would be a great buy. But look at the sleeves. Look at this. Look at this. Can you look at this, please? The sleeves are so short on me. They're not gonna work. It's really not gonna work. So I'm actually thinking about giving this jacket away, and maybe I might just do a giveaway for you guys. So go ahead and stay tuned to my channel, guys. But overall, the jacket's really warm. It's comfortable and it has a really cute hoodie. I love hoodies because they're just so comfortable. Okay, so next up I have this really cute overalls, and overalls have been in for some reason. I don't know, they kind of like came back from the grave or whatever, but these are the most stretchiest overalls I've ever tried on. They're so comfortable, form-fitting. I'm telling you, Fashion Nova knows how to make jeans because they fit and hug everything. One thing that's really cute about this is the two little rip parts by the knees, and then you have just a stretch of the material, and it fits so well, right guys? Come on, look at it. The last thing that I purchased was this really cute beanie. Now the beanie, I wish it was a little bit thicker. It is on the thin side. It does have a really cute black tag on the side of it, but it's just the beanie, right? So guys, that's it for the actual Fashion Nova haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and honestly I loved everything that I purchased. Everything fit really well. The only thing that didn't really work for me was the burgundy type coat. I wish the sleeves were longer, and I think that's the only thing that sucks so bad about it. But other than that, guys, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. And if you have any questions about anything, all the items will be in the description box below, and you could definitely comment down below as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.